This is how I created a resume that got me 5 job offers in just 1 month of applying. Unang-una, dapat ATS friendly yung buong resume. Ito, ATS friendly yan hanggang baba. It doesn't matter kung may template ka or kung gawin mo siya sa Microsoft Word, kayang-kaya basta single column lang para ATS friendly siya. Most companies kasi, lalo na kung sa LinkedIn ka nag-a-apply, once na pinasa nyo yung application nyo, dadaan yan sa machine bago makarating sa HR. Ginagawa nila yon para makonect nila yung hundreds and thousands of applicants para madali nilang ma-filter yung mga pasok sa hinahanap nila. Next is, dapat yung resume mo is short and direct to the point. Tanggalin mo na yung mga irrelevant sections. Good rule of thumb is only having 4 to 5 sections. So, professional summary, work experience, education, skills, and certification. So, kapag sobrang haba ng resume mo, pwede mo nang tanggalin yung professional summary and uunahin mo palagi si work experience. Kung mapapansin nyo, 2 to 3 bullets lang yung nilalagay niya sa work experience niya. And then yung dates, inuna niya yung pinaka-recent na role and tinanggal niya na yung mga older roles para hindi na masyadong humaba yung work experience niya. Also, lahat ng bullet points nyo, gaya ng sa kanya, should be summarized as much as you can. Pinaka-tip ko sa inyo is buong resume nyo dapat 1 page lang. Pag lumagpas na, you're doing something wrong. Ayun lang. Follow me. Nagsishare ako ng mga tips kung paano hindi mag-ghost ng mga companies pag nag-a-apply. Good luck!